Well, about how hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly app. You will click on settings, you will go here to this page, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Grammarly and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us.